Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a very exciting video, a harvest of this pineapple plant that I've been growing in my backyard for the past several years. In the spring of 2021, my wife and I visited the Maui Gold pineapple plantation. We brought some pineapples back home with us, and I initially planted them in these 5-gallon Home Depot buckets, eventually transferring them to whiskey barrels where they were in my backyard for many years. And this isn't going to be the complete pineapple video. I intend to make a video where I explain how I kept these alive in my garage for many years and the different seasons of maintenance. But in this video, I wanted to focus on the time period where the pineapples fruited and the harvest. This photo was taken in the spring of 2025. When this pineapple first fruited, you can see the crown coming up here. It looks kind of like a little pink pine cone, and it grows on this stem, which is called the peduncle. It rained a lot this spring, and so I never really got good pictures of our pineapple plant blooming. But here's an old photo from the Maui Gold pineapple plantation, where you can see these flowers bloom all over the entire body of the fruit. And at one point I recall going outside and seeing that almost the entire thing was blooming. I really wish I had filmed. I think it was too windy that day. But here's what it looked like in April, maybe about a month after first sprouting. All of those little wispy brown things on the edges are the flowers having dried up. And it begins to change color from a pink to a bit of a green. Underneath those things that look like pine cones are pineapple pups, which are growing into new pineapple crowns that can be rooted in a new container to grow a new pineapple plant. By the time summer rolled around in June, this is what the pineapple looked like. The crowns have developed quite a bit, and it's hard to tell from this video, but the body of the fruit is about 6 to 8 inches long. The head of the pineapple crown is maybe about a foot in length. It'll be more obvious when I have it on a dinner plate shortly, but let's cut to the footage of the actual pineapple harvest. And now, after 4.5 years of effort, our pineapple has finally gone to fruit and is mature, and we are ready to cut it down. So let's go ahead and do that. Get my shears in here. I'll get the camera a little closer, show everybody how this works, but we've got our fruited pineapple plant, and as I've probably already explained, here's our peduncle and our pups. And these pineapple pups just break right off like that. So we can set these in some water, and this will grow a whole new pineapple fruit. And here, we've got our pineapple. So we got our Maui Gold Hawaiian pineapple plant. We've regrown from a crown. I don't know that I'm gonna go through this process again this way, but it was a lot of fun and probably the highest effort project to date. Man, we've got a lot of pups here. I got 1, 2, here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pineapples from this one plant. Pretty cool. And here's our pineapple plant cut down. Here's what we're left with. Now this pineapple plant isn't gonna grow anything additionally, so we're gonna remove it from the whiskey barrel and maybe repurpose it for some other projects, but you can see about how big it got. Good looking plant. Very cool. So the final thing I wanted to show here with our pineapple plant, we got our peduncle in my hand right there, and the fruit just breaks away from it like that. Now we got our pineapple. I brought the pineapple inside to ripen on my kitchen counter, and that harvest video you just watched was filmed on July the 16th, 2025. 2 weeks later, on August 1st, our pineapple was ready to eat. Now, I don't want this to turn into an advertisement for Maui Gold, but these pineapples are amazing and exactly the way I remember them being in Hawaii. Something about these pineapples is so different than store-bought pineapples, and I think it has less to do with the fact that I grew it in my backyard and more to do with whatever the secret recipe is at Maui Gold in their pineapple breeding. But something about the acidity of these pineapples is just right, where it slow cooks the core, so the core is tender and easy to eat, and the pineapple flesh is sweet and delicious without being overly acidic. I really enjoyed regrowing these pineapples back in Texas. My wife and I, every anniversary, would look outside and see the progress of the pineapples growing and reminisce on our honeymoon. And it took several years to actually get fruit out of these, but I think this video stands as evidence that you can zone push even in Texas, where we get snow and ice and all sorts of inclement weather. It is possible to regrow pineapples here in your backyard, as long as you have the space in your garage for them during those inclement winter months. If you're thinking about doing this, I will make another video shortly explaining the longer process of how I overwintered the pineapples in the garage, how I initially rooted them, and basically everything you need to know if you want to repeat this at home. And you can expect that I'll have that video published sometime in early May. But for now, thanks again for watching Austin, Texas Gardening.